I am making Mistress9's beads. I could have used my other ones, but eh. I'm using this for the cord. Sorry, cording with my phone. And some beads. I got these at Michael's. So, that's what. So yeah, that's it. Hello, and I'm back again. Of course, my falcon costume is right there. It's like doing regular talk. I ran out of the fabric I want to use for my Mistress9, so I went to Value Village, and I got a similar top, just like the one I have right there. And I'm gonna do is just like stitch the beads on. Yeah, there's buttons. I'm gonna cover the buttons, and I gotta fix the top some. And of course, the price for this was like only $7. Yeah, it has some weird flaps on these, but the beads are gonna cover it. And plus, this kind of saves me time too, so because I have a lot of sewing now. Like my for my Princess Diamond, I still gotta do is the top still I gotta hem, and then like the shoulder straps and the design, and then that's kind of done. I decided not to do the cape because that would be just too much, because just whatever. And Emerald from Sailor Moon is on hold, I guess, until I kind of get farther on the Falcon costume, and then I might work on it one again. It depends how I feel. I have my days of what I want to do and what I don't want to do. So yeah, cosplayers know out there know that. So yeah, again, buttons and just again tag. Yeah, and I made sure it was in that size too, because just so I can move around and won't be tight in. Like, I need to breathe. And so yeah, it's gonna something like that, but this is and whatnot. So yeah. So that's a little update on the Mistress top. So kinda, I guess it's like for this Mistress9 top is like I want to say 99% done, because I have my skirt over there, and all I gotta do is just attach the beads. So depending how many beads I put on my one string over there. I want to put 2, but if I have enough, then maybe 3. If not, then just 2. Because on the manga version, it varies, I guess. Because some images show for Mistress9 that she wears 3 or 2 beads. Like that one. But from all the images I've seen, she normally has 2 beads. Again, this is the manga. I'm not doing the anime. Because the anime Mistress9 has like a dark navy or black skirt, and the top is different. It doesn't have like the V things coming down from it. So yeah, I might do that one sometimes because Mistress9 is my favorite villain, and Prince Diamond is like my also favorite villain from Sailor Moon. So yeah, I I guess that's about it for this. It's just a simple sew on, so yeah, no problems. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see, but I gotta sew some of this stuff down some. I'm always recording. And I'm sorry I record at night. Camera lighting and stuff, but whatever. So, yeah, that's it. Or is it? Well, anyway, it's just like a little cosplay talk, I guess. Not really a tutorial or anything, but still a talk, I guess, yeah. So, bye until next time. To whatever else I gotta show off, I guess. Anyways.